Did you know that you could be wasting up to 30% of your gas and not even know it? That's right. Small mistakes you make every day could be draining your wallet at the pump. But here's the good news. One simple change can make a huge difference, whether you're driving to work or planning a road trip. Today I'm going to show you easy, practical tips to maximize your fuel efficiency and save big. So, if you're tired of watching your gas gauge drop faster than you'd like, stay tuned because your car's next tank of gas might just last longer than ever before. Number 1. Maintain proper tire pressure. One of the simplest things you can do today to boost your car's fuel efficiency, and most people overlook it, is maintaining the proper tire pressure. Underinflated tires are like a hidden fuel thief, creating extra resistance that forces your engine to work harder. And guess what? More work means more fuel burned. Here's the thing. Just being off by a few PS, it can actually cost you up to 3% of your gas mileage, and most people don't even realize when their tires are low. The air slowly leaks over time, especially in colder weather, and don't assume the pressure gauge at the gas station is accurate. Pick up a reliable tire pressure gauge seriously. They cost like $10 and can save you hundreds in fuel costs over the year. Check your tire pressure at least once a month, and make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommended PSI, which you can find inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. And don't rely on the eyeball method. A tire can look fine but still be underinflated by several PSI. Number 2. Lighten the load. We've all treated our car like a storage unit at some point, keeping stuff we might need but never actually use. Well, here's a wake-up call. That extra weight you're carrying could be quietly costing you more money at the gas pump. Here's how it works. When your car is heavier, your engine has to work harder to move it forward, and that extra effort means burning more fuel. In fact, for every additional 100 pounds of weight, your fuel efficiency can drop by 1% to 2%. Now, imagine keeping a couple of toolboxes, sports gear, or old junk in your trunk for months. Those small percentages can add up to hundreds of dollars wasted in a year. But it doesn't stop there. If you've got a roof rack with luggage or equipment you don't regularly use, that's making things even worse. Roof racks don't just add weight. They mess with your car's aerodynamics, creating drag and reducing fuel efficiency even more, especially at highway speeds. Some studies show that a roof cargo box can reduce your fuel efficiency by as much as 25% on long trips. That's like paying for gas you're not even using. So, what's the fix? Start by doing a quick car declutter session. Check the trunk, back seat, and any compartments for items you don't need. Leave behind only the essentials like an emergency kit or a spare tire. And when it comes to roof racks or bike carriers, only attach them when you're actively using them. Number 3. Avoid excessive idling. A lot of drivers still believe that keeping the engine running while parked or waiting saves fuel. But that's a myth from older car models. Modern engines are designed to be fuel efficient, and restarting them actually uses far less gas than letting them idle for long periods. Thinking about it, idling for just 10 minutes can waste up to 0.1 gallons of fuel. Now, imagine doing that every day while waiting for a friend or warming up the car in the driveway. Over the course of a year, that could cost you hundreds of dollars in wasted fuel. And don't think it's just about gas. Excessive idling also leads to wear and tear on your engine components, especially the spark plugs, cylinders, and exhaust system. So, by cutting down on unnecessary idling, you're not only improving your gas mileage, but also extending your engine's life. The fix is simple. If you're going to be parked for more than a minute, turn off the engine. Modern cars don't need long warm-up periods either. 30 seconds is usually plenty, even in cold weather. Another tip, consider using stop-start technology if your car has it. These systems automatically turn off the engine when you're stationary and restart it when you hit the gas, saving fuel without you even thinking about it. If you're finding this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows. Number 4. Drive with cruise control when safe. If you want an easy, hands-off way to boost your gas mileage, start using cruise control whenever it's safe to do so. Here's why it works. When you're driving manually, you might not even realize how often you're speeding up, slowing down, or making slight adjustments to the gas pedal. These constant changes, especially at highway speeds, waste fuel. Cruise control eliminates that by maintaining a steady speed, reducing unnecessary acceleration and braking. Studies show that using cruise control can improve your fuel efficiency by 5% to 7% on long trips, saving you significant money at the pump over time. But it's important to use it correctly. Cruise control works best on flat, open highways, where you can maintain a consistent speed. If you're on a road with a lot of hills or frequent stops, using it can actually be less efficient since the system might struggle to maintain speed, causing the engine to rev unnecessarily. Another pro tip: when you're approaching a hill, disable cruise control temporarily and accelerate manually to prevent fuel waste. Once you're back on flat terrain, reactivate it to resume saving fuel. Also, keep in mind that cruise control doesn't mean you can completely zone out. Stay alert, especially in traffic or changing weather conditions. Number 5. Plan your trips to avoid traffic. Nothing kills gas mileage faster than stop-and-go driving, where you're constantly braking, idling, and accelerating. In fact, heavy traffic can reduce your fuel efficiency by 15% to 30%, depending on how bad it gets. Think about how much gas you waste sitting in gridlock, with your engine running but your car barely moving. That's fuel you'll never get back. But the good news is, with a little planning, you can avoid a lot of that unnecessary fuel burn. Use traffic apps like Google Maps or Waze before you leave to find the quickest, least congested route. Many of these apps provide real-time updates, alerting you to accidents, construction zones, or bottlenecks, and suggesting alternative routes. Another smart move? Try to drive during off-peak hours when traffic is lighter, especially if you have a flexible schedule. Leaving 30 minutes earlier or later could save you time, gas, and stress. If you have multiple errands to run, combine them into a single trip to avoid making multiple short drives. Starting a cold engine repeatedly burns more fuel. And don't forget about shortcuts. While you may know the main roads well, sometimes taking a less popular back road can shave off time and avoid bumper-to-bumper congestion. Number 6. Avoid hard acceleration and braking. Hard acceleration and sudden braking are two of the biggest reasons people get poor gas mileage without realizing it. When you floor the gas pedal, your engine works overtime to deliver the power you're demanding, burning way more fuel than necessary. And when you brake hard, you're wasting all the energy you just used to speed up. It's like taking one step forward and 2 steps back is inefficient and costly. Studies show that aggressive driving can lower your gas mileage by 15% to 30% on highways and 10% to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. The fix is simple: drive more smoothly. Accelerate gradually, as if you've got a cup of coffee on the dashboard and you don't want it to spill. The same goes for braking. Anticipate stops and ease off the gas early instead of waiting until the last second to hit the brakes. Not only will this improve your gas mileage, but it will also reduce wear and tear on your brakes and tires, saving you money on maintenance. By maintaining a steady speed and avoiding unnecessary stops, you'll see immediate improvements in your gas mileage. Number 7. Check and replace spark plugs. Here's something many drivers forget. Your car's spark plugs play a huge role in fuel efficiency. Think of them as the igniters that start the combustion process inside your engine. When they're working properly, they ignite the air-fuel mixture with precision, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and burns fuel efficiently. But when they're worn out, misfiring, or covered in deposits, your engine doesn't burn fuel as effectively, leading to incomplete combustion, poor performance, and you guessed it, worse gas mileage. In fact, faulty spark plugs can reduce your fuel efficiency by as much as 30%. The good news? Checking and replacing spark plugs is relatively simple and can save you a lot of money over time. If you've noticed your car struggling to accelerate, rough idling, or a drop in fuel economy, it's probably time to inspect them. For most cars, spark plugs should be replaced every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of plugs you have. Platinum and iridium plugs last longer, but can still wear out, especially if the engine isn't properly maintained. When checking them, look for signs of damage, such as carbon buildup, oil residue, or a worn electrode. Replacing them with high-quality OEM plugs ensures you're getting the performance your engine was designed for. Don't cut corners with cheap plugs. They may save you a few bucks up front, but will cost you more in fuel and maintenance down the road. Number 8. Use quality fuel with detergent additives. The type of fuel you put in your car can significantly impact your gas mileage and engine performance. While many drivers focus on price when choosing gas, the hidden secret to getting better fuel efficiency lies in using quality fuel with detergent additives. These additives help clean your engine, specifically your fuel injectors and intake valves, preventing carbon buildup and deposits that can block fuel flow and cause inefficient combustion. When your engine burns fuel cleanly, you'll get better mileage and smoother performance. Cheap or low-quality fuel often lacks the necessary detergents, which means over time your engine could suffer from buildup that reduces its efficiency. This leads to more fuel being burned just to keep the car running as it should. But when you consistently use quality fuel, you're not just saving gas, you're preventing long-term damage to key components like the fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and oxygen sensors. Most major brands, such as Shell, Chevron, or BP, sell fuel with high-quality detergents under programs like top-tier gasoline. Number 9. Don't ride the clutch or overuse neutral. If you drive a manual transmission, you've got a powerful tool in your hands to maximize fuel efficiency if you use it right. But here's where many drivers go wrong. Riding the clutch or overusing neutral can kill your gas mileage and wear out key components in the process. Let's start with riding the clutch. If you're keeping your foot partially pressed on the clutch pedal while driving, you're creating constant friction between the clutch disc and the flywheel. This doesn't just lead to premature wear, it forces your engine to work harder, wasting fuel in the process. Even light pressure can reduce your car's efficiency over time, so only press the clutch when you need to shift gears. Now, let's talk about coasting in neutral. Many people think putting the car in neutral while going downhill or coming to a stop saves gas, but that's an outdated myth. In modern fuel-injected cars, leaving the car in gear while coasting actually shuts off fuel delivery, making it more efficient than neutral coasting. When you coast in neutral, the engine keeps idling and burning fuel unnecessarily. So instead of overusing neutral, stay in gear and let the car's momentum work with you. Bonus tip. Here's the golden rule of fuel efficiency. A well-maintained engine is a fuel-efficient engine. You could follow every gas-saving tip in the book, but if your engine isn't running smoothly, you'll always burn more fuel than necessary. Also, don't forget to periodically check for warning signs like the check engine light. Ignoring it could mean you're driving around with a problem that's silently wasting fuel, like a malfunctioning oxygen sensor, which can lower your gas mileage by up to 40%. Stay ahead by scheduling routine inspections and keeping up with small repairs before they turn into costly issues. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows.